Finally, I got my hands on the Pomelli. This is the new AI marketing tool by Google that you can absolutely free. And if you have the small business e-commerce store, or you are an agency generating the creatives or designing the creatives, this new AI marketing tool might be the game changing for you. So I have tested out, and in this video I'm going to give you my workflow, how I had turned this smart watch creatives or the graphics into the really stunning looking marketing campaigns using the Google Pomelli absolutely free here. And not only that, I have also created some of the video ads as well. So I will give you all the tutorials and the testing previews here in this video, so make sure you stick till the end. And without wasting any more time, let me get started. So this is the new Pomelli website. You can just get access from the link given in the description, and this is absolutely free. You have to just get through this link here, and after that you will see this is how its user interface look like. It's the pretty much stunning here. All you can see, there are the 3 steps available, and all these 3 steps you can just starting with the generating the business DNA, where it will get the link of your product or the any product link, and then it will fetch their brand color, logo, voice, and everything that it can use to generate those ad creatives. Then you can also generate the brand campaign ideas, and then it will give you the creatives that you can use everywhere, including your social media, in your ads, absolutely free of cost. So now you don't need to be hire our designer because the Pomelli is here. So let's go and click here on the get started. Here it will first ask you the product link. So right now I'm going to use this product here. This is the smartwatch, and you can see it has the some of the really cool creatives or the graphics available already in the website. If I scroll down below, you can see we have the stunning looking designs. So like this, if you have the even the some plain designs or the graphics available for your products, it will also going to work. So simply get the link of this product from here, and now we will go to the Pomelli and paste this link. Now we will click here on the continue. Now what it is doing, it is analyzing the link here, getting all the graphics available on this page, including the images, the brand tone, and even the copywriting. Every information it is gathering in this single place. You can see studying your brand values, aesthetics, the colors, the tones, everything it is start fetching out, and it can take around the 5 minutes, so you have to wait till then. So I have already done that, and I will show you here. So you can see I have able to get all the information here. This is the link I have pasted, and this is all the images it is able to fetch for me. Okay, this is the photo shoot. Okay, in the business DNA you can see all these images it is able to fetch for me. You can also upload the more images here. Now how we are going to get started, we will go to the campaigns, and here by default it will give you some of the ideas that you can start checking out here on this page. But what you can do, you can even add the more products ideas or the links, and it will give you the more images fetched. Here all the images it has just got from your link here. You can upload the more here, and this is the aspect ratio in which you want to generate or get the your creatives. Okay, so right now you have to simply click here on the suggest ideas, and it will just give you some of the marketing campaigns ready to launch for you. So I'm going to open this one, and you can see here is the my smartwatch, and there's a cool copy already it is given here, and every creative is stunning. Okay, looks really amazing here. I can just do more of the things for the customization. For example, this is the header. Okay, I can just change this header, I can change the color. So not only it is going to generate the campaigns or the creatives for you, you will also get the options to customize it. So I have also created some of the videos here. You can see this is the video I have created out of any of the ad creative. You can see right now there's the animate button available here. So simply click this animate button, and it will generate the video for you. Okay, let me play it. Okay, you can see these ad creative graphics or the animated videos looks stunning here, and that is absolutely ready to launch in your social media stories, in your post, or even for the marketing campaigns as well. And if you want to generate the more things, you can simply go to the campaign. Here you have to give the any ideas. Even if you don't know what your idea have, simply select the any of the image that you got from the link in the Pomelli. For example, right now I am going to generate the creatives for this headphone or this one. Okay, Now this looks good here, so I will select, and now you can see I can just describe the idea, what kind of the campaign I want to generate. Even I don't have any ideas in mind, I can simply click here on the suggest ideas, and now it will just going to start and give you the some of the ideas based on this product, that image you have selected here. So it can take some time to giving you the ideas. So while this is giving out, I will also talk about the other features as well. This is the business DNA I have talked about, where you have to simply add the link and it will fetch the images. This is the campaign sections, I have showed you how this work out. And then this is the third section, that is the really important, is the photo shoot. You have the plain images of your product, but with this photo shoot section you can turn them into the ready to launch with model kind of the images and the graphics here. And there's also generate or edit any image. So basically here you have to give the command what you want to do with your product image, and it can generate the images for you. And because it is with by the Google, you are going to get the stunning results here. So I'm going to use this one, that is the create a product photo shoot. And here we will going to select the product, and here I have selected the, and here I am going to select this headphone. Okay, so this is the headphone, and click here on the looks good. And now you can see it will start giving out the these templates here. Okay, so you can just select which template you want to use. I have selected these four by default. Click here on the looks good, create photo shoot. And now with this headphone image, it is going to generate the agency level of the images and the graphics for you in just matter of few minutes. You don't have to just pay the thousands of dollars agency, or you have to waste effortless hours in just creating these graphics by yourself. Use the Google Pomelli. This is absolutely free, and within just few minutes I'm going to start getting these results here. You can see there's the timing going on, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or less than a minute here. Okay, so while this is generating, let's see our this campaign for the headphone is created or not. Yeah, you can see I got the three ideas here, like sound your signature, silence your city's roar, or gift to the echo aid. Okay, so I'm not going to go with this looking words here, fancy looking words. I'm going to see what the ad creativity start generating out. Okay, so once these campaigns ideas is ready, you have to go into these campaigns, and after that these graphics will start generating out. Okay, so let me go with this third one as well, and I think within the few minutes I will also start getting to see this result. So while this is generating, let me go to the photo shoot section and see. Yeah, you can see my photo shoot section is done here, and out of that plain image of my headphone product, I got these, like this one. This looks really good here. It's also good with a model here, and this also with a really good aesthetic background here. I can also describe the any things I want to change here, and then after that I can just regenerate it. Now suppose I like this one, I can just download this image and use anywhere. Okay, so let me go back to campaign and see if any of the images in this campaign is generated. Yeah, this campaign is generated here, and here I got around the 4 images with good copywriting here. You can see this look absolutely fabulous here. Okay, so what I can do, I can just animate any of these graphics. So simply click here on the animate, and now it will start animating these graphics into the animation. So again, it can take some time. So every time you are going to hit the generate, or you are going to build the new campaign, it can take around 2 or 3 minutes to generating the graphics. Till then you have to wait. Okay, so while this is generating, let me check out the other campaigns as well. So this is the another campaign I able to get the results here, and you can see there is no headphone. Yeah, in this I got to see the headphone. Yeah, here's also the headphone in the neck. This is in the with crowdy place background. This is with the metro city, and this is in your work lifestyle. So all the creative style generating looks really good here. And let me go to the last campaign here, that is this one. Okay, so here's I also got the results, and here's the results is also good. But let me tell you, this is not the headphone here and here. So you can see every time most of the results I got is expected really good here, but some of the times the product that is generated here is not the relevant. Okay, although this is available on their website but not in this campaign, so you can always customize it. Okay, so let's see my image is generated, video is generated or not. So I have generated the image. video here, and you can see this is the video generated out of this simple graphic here. Let me play it. Okay, this look really mind-blowing. It has the added some of the really cool effects of the light, the words coming out of from the below, and overall this looks really good that I can use to just share in the my social medias and for the marketing campaigns. And this is how you can use the Pomelli right now, absolutely free by the Google. If you want to check it out, I have given the link in the description, and simply you have to paste the link in the business DNA here, and it will get the everything that you needed to launch the campaign here in the campaign section. And I think around the 10 minutes you have just done the work that you don't need to hire a agency spending thousands of the dollars for your product. So that's all for today's video I have talked about, and I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you want let me do same kind of the videos, just let me know in the comments that yes you want it, and I will do all these kind of the videos again and again for you guys.